Hey guys, it's Johnny with Eagle Motorsports. Today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough on this Bentley pontoons. This is a 220 cruise layout and it sits on a yacht club trailer. Let's show you guys around. So with this pontoon, you're going to get your lifting strikes on each tune. This does have that aluminum underskirting, and then here with your rubber insert all the way around. And this does have stand-up cleats with your navigation lights here in the front. With this yacht club trailer, you do get some wider steps and that long handle, and with the red and champagne color, looks really nice. And here you have your dock door, and then show you guys to the 150 Suzuki motor. With Suzuki, you're gonna get a 5-year warranty. Then here in the back, you have a fold-up ladder, really easy to drop down. And then your back entrance. And then 2 more stand-up cleats here on each side. And this does have a 32-gallon fuel tank. Now I'll show you guys the inside. So starting with the flooring, this is gonna be that tan seagrass flooring with the tan upholstery. You're gonna get 2 marine grade speakers on each side with your floor lighting. And then the seats are hinged with storage. Even the backrest storage. 2 cup holders on each side. You can see stitched with that Bentley logo. Under helm storage. Here's your dash. All of your switches for easy access. And this does have the JBL head unit. Your captain's chair is swivel. It also reclines back. And here with your L-shaped lounge here in the back, you're gonna have 2 more marine grade speakers. An additional 4 cup holders, 2 in the back. Then again, hinged. This is gonna be your built-in ice chest. And there's that 150 Suzuki motor with your ski pull bar. And this does have the double bimini, so you see how much of that area is truly shaded. Now, if you guys have any questions about this layout or any of our others, give us a call at 928-257-4332 or check out our website at eaglemotorsportsaz.com, or come on down. We'll be happy to do a walkthrough in person.